Hey guys, it's Henry from Adventure Air, and we're here with Richard Souza, and he's the owner of this beautiful Evolution Revolt Trike, and he's doing a little training with us. He just purchased this thing, and so he's a brand new pilot. He's got about 10 hours under his belt now, and he's doing awesome. And so, how do you like this thing?
I love it. I wanted a off-road vehicle, and this is it.
Well, it's definitely got the big tires for that. So what do you say we go up and do some flying, have some fun?
Sounds good.
Let's go! Woo!
6 right, clear to land.
Runway 26 right, clear to land.
Okay.
We're turning 10 degrees to the right now.
Okay, your wing should be the other way because the wind's coming. There's stop. Remember, because the wind's coming from our right. The wind's coming this way. So that tipped down now a little bit. Does that make sense? It does. Like the umbrella, yeah. All right. Are you all good to go? Yeah, I believe I'm all taped down. Okay. I've got one here. I've got another one coming in. Yeah, I'll call them. So go ahead and call in and see where we're at. And Chino Tower, Trike 774 Romeo Sierra, holding short 26 right, right close traffic.
774 Romeo Sierra, Chino Tower, stand by.
Stand by.
For 786 on golf traffic follow, just ahead and to your left inside the 15.
Now, because we have a 10-mile-an-hour wind, this thing's going to hop off the ground faster than before. So just be ready.
Throttle.
What?
Don't play with the throttle. Leave it on there.
Yeah.
For 774 Romeo Sierra, wind 27010, gust 14. Extend up into the power lines, make right close traffic, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 right, extend up to the power lines, 4 Romeo Sierra. Okay.
786 9 golf, reduce speed, and square the base turn.
So now it's gusting to 14,
finally, number
you said 9 to 14.
On the Cherokee, just off your left-hand side.
So this may be a one trip around the pattern,
we
we'll
got
see.
the Cherokee inside, thank you. 6 on golf. Number 2. 6 on golf.
733 Alpha Delta, continue runway heading, contact tower south 120.12, 2012.
Fly runway heading, going to 2012, 3 Alpha Delta.
All right, line up in the center. And anytime you're ready, we can start going. Make sure you're not pushing the brake.
Off your throttle.
My throttle's off.
All right.
Okay, push forward on the wing. Push forward. Don't push in so far. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, you're coming back on the wing a little too fast on that takeoff.
26 right, clear low approach on the go. Fly runway heading.
26 right, clear low approach.
Turn the radio up a little bit.
4 Romeo Sierra, extend up and I'll call the crosswind.
You'll call the crosswind, 4 Romeo Sierra.
205 Delta Delta, extend downwind. 205 Delta Delta, extend downwind.
Extend downwind, 5 Delta Delta.
Yeah, we're coming down.
Chino Tower 2355 Delta, 3000 request transition.
You want
2355 Delta, Chino Tower, Roger, transition curve, Chino altimeter 29001.
He'll call our crosswind.
2,500.
Copy, 2991 and down to 2,500. 2,500.
Perfect, on a golf traffic, hands your left, final parallel runway 7.
What's our airspeed? I'm serious.
Got the traffic inside.
65. All right. Push forward on the bar a little bit.
4 Romeo Sierra, traffic follow, heading to your right, eastbound, approaching power line 2,000.
I'm looking for him, 4 Romeo Sierra. Do not go to the left.
Runner 1834, right turn kilo, on the ground point 6.
Do not go left. Right turn.
Right on kilo, over to the ground 834.
Yeah, you're kind of pushing off to the left there. You're getting in the other lane of the other traffic.
Oh, okay. Are we?
Now
Number
we're
2
ready.
Delta, resequence your number 3 following Bonanza in midfield downwind. 26
There's
right,
our
cleared.
traffic.
Low approach on the go fly, Romeo.
Number 326 right, clear low approach, 5 runway heading on guard.
Right turn.
Bonanza 5 Delta Delta, number 2 following a Skyhawk on a half-mile final.
Nice
Turn
and
base
easy.
inside of the wash, runway 26 right, clear to land.
26 right, clear land. We'll follow the Cessna. Goes to the launch. 5 Delta.
Number 4 Romeo Sierra, turn crosswind.
Crosswind, 4 Romeo Sierra. If we're at 14, back the power off.
Church 7085, Romeo holding short of 26 right at Papa, ready for southeast departure.
Cherry 85 Romeo, stand by.
On to the downwind. Right turn. Yeah, he called it.
Cherry 7085 Romeo, cross runway 26 right at Papa, hold short of runway 26 left at Papa.
Cross runway 26 right at Papa, hold short 26 left at Papa, 85 Romeo.
5 Delta Delta, same turn base.
Base 5 Delta Delta.
2 Delta Echo, traffic follows, ahead to your right on base, Bonanza.
Looking for traffic, 2 Delta Echo.
Cherry 85 Romeo, left side, contact tower south 120.12, 2012.
2012, 85 Romeo. Delta Delta, traffic in sight.
That's 6 on a golf right turn Delta, contact ground point 6.
Right turn at Delta, contact ground at point 6. Thank you. 6 on golf.
For 4 Romeo Sierra, extend downwind.
Extend downwind, 4 Romeo Sierra. Sorry, I'm going to change that cable on you a little bit. So what did he say?
Chino Tower, Cherokee
Extend
984,
downwind.
Whiskey, holding
Keep going
short,
downwind.
26
He'll
right,
tell us.
number 2 in the sequence, looking for a straight out departure to Santa Fe practice area.
I'm going to turn that up just a little.
Okay.
Number 1, hold short, runway 26 right for Santa Fe practice area, take off line.
Barrett 676 is holding short 26 right, number 1.
25676, same intentions.
I'll be like a left
Sounds
turn
like
out
we're
to the south
descending.
for departure VFR.
Because we are.
676, roger. Number 2, hold short, runway 26 right in sequence, take call sign request.
Call sign is Cherokee 9841 Whiskey. We're looking for a Santa Fe, straight out for Santa Fe practice area.
4 Whiskey, roger, thank you.
What?
It's getting sporty.
It is. We'll probably land this one. I don't want to do it when it's too windy.
4 Romeo Sierra, continue downwind, it's going to be multiple departures prior to your arrival.
No problem. 4 Romeo Sierra.
26 right,
Feels
left
like
departure
we're
to Lake
coming down
Bentley.
again.
No, we're there.
Okay.
It's
All right.
really knocking us up and down.
Says a 12604, fly runway heading, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff. Number 4 Romeo Sierra, turn base.
Turn base, 4 Romeo Sierra. Turn base. Right turn. All right. I'm going to help you with this one a bit. Let's line up with our runway, not the other one. There you go. See it way up there?
26 right, clear to go, 46 Echo.
This is good. No, let's keep on going. Keep the power on.
4 Romeo Sierra, traffic off your left on base at parallel runway 1200. Here's the Cessna.
4 Romeo Sierra.
About 11 at the end of this building here.
What's that?
About 1100.
Yeah, when we get to the trees, we should be about, I'm going to say like 800. Okay, pedals are nice and straight. We're looking good. Let's just keep on coming. Maybe 900 at the trees is fine. You're basically just kind of drawing an imaginary 45-degree down angle to the 2.6. Because we want to kind of aim for the 2.6. Okay, we're off to the right, a little left turn, keep on the center line. There we go. Looking good, keep coming. A little more power. A little bit, just right here, that's good. Come off the power a little bit. Come off the power a little bit more. Coming off the power a little more. Okay, power off. Bar in, bar in, bar in. There we go. We're going to get off on Delta. All right, next one. To the right.
4 Romeo Sierra, right turn Delta, contact ground point 6.
Ground point 6, 4 Romeo Sierra. Hey, we made it.
But it was getting so wanky up there, I couldn't quite tell when you were helping out.
I was kind of helping on a little bit on that because it was getting pushy.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
So I wasn't quite sure if I was fighting you or the wind.
Yeah, see, I don't mind if it's steady wind, but it was gusting 9 to 15. So it's gust come off, gust come off, gust come off, you know, and then it's hard to figure. As we make the
Turkey 91834, wind 260 at 9 fly, runway heading, runway 26 right, clear for
turn the
takeoff.
wing down. Wing.
Runway heading 26 right, clear for takeoff, 824.
Okay. Wing tip down into the wind. Get across the line so we're off the runway. Then we'll stop right here. We'll contact ground 121.6.
Hey guys, so we just went up around the pattern. It was a little gusty today. It was like 15 gusting 20. And I don't mind if the wind is steady, but when it gusts, it kind of throws us around a little bit. So we're gonna let the winds calm down and we'll go up and try it again. In the meantime, I want you to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. And come on out and see me here in Chino, California. We'll do some flying. See ya!